Good morning. It's September. Happy September. Actually, it's not the beginning of September. It's like September 10th already. But I wanted to show you guys what's going on in my flower garden. It's not my garden of my dreams yet, but it's getting there. So I just wanted to show you what's blooming in September in zone 8A. I'm in El Paso, Texas. It's super hot here. So it's a feat to be a gardener. I mean, it's hard. It's very hard. So it's not gonna look like those gardens you see on Pinterest or anything, but I'll get there. So stick with me and we'll get there. So let's see my garden. All right, so we'll start over here on the right side. I have a lot of things sprouting. Yay! These are cilantro and dill. You could kind of see the dill seed right there. Can you see it? So these are cilantro and dill. Those just, the seeds fall from my plants and they self-seed. These are marigolds that I planted a couple days ago. This is a verbena, this purple one. That's a plumbago. I just planted that bougainvillea maybe like a month ago. There's another marigold just growing there. I have some onions that I put last season, but I don't think I pulled them and they're coming out again. This is my apple tree. There's an apple. I think I need some iron because the leaves are turning green. I mean yellow. Okay. I have another verbena over here. These are my cosmos and my zinnias growing. There's another marigold growing over there. The marigolds are really easy to grow here, and so are cosmos and zinnias. They're looking a little wonky over here, but you pretty much can throw them down and they'll grow, and then they'll self-seed as well. So I love when plants do that. These are the zinnias and my cosmos. Looking a little wonky. There's two pretty ones over here falling. And yeah, all over here is zinnias and cosmos and marigolds, and they're barely starting to come up. These right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there are mums, chrysanthemums. This one's already blossoming. I should deadhead it already. And then these are starting to blossom because we're now going down to the 90s. We were in 100-degree temperatures, but we're in the 90s now. And it was in the 80s for a minute, but now it's back to like 94 this week, I think. Here's some more marigolds. You can see some cosmos. The cosmos are just in random places because, like I said, they self-seed and they just do it wherever they want. This is my blue mist, and normally it's full of butterflies. But you know what? I put these stakes here the other day, like 2 days ago, and I haven't seen butterflies since. I hope I didn't get them mad. Wah. These are African daisies. They're looking pretty wonky because this was on top of it. So the bottom got all dry and yucky. But I'm just gonna leave them for now, which is why I put this thing to keep the blue mist off of my other plants. Quick little interrupt just to show you what the gazanias look like when they're blooming, and this was in April. These are gazanias. Those do really well here. This is another gazania, and this is my orange gazania. It doesn't have flowers right now, but this one still does a bit. I do come and deadhead these also. I take off the ones that are ugly. This one's about to blossom, yay! I have Comfrena coming out. I think I threw some seeds down there and they were here last year, so they're coming back. Yay, I love those, they're so pretty. This is another mum. This is my hyssop, and all of the edges are gonna turn purple like that. And it's gonna be all purple, and when it is, I get a ton of bees coming. A bunch of bees will be on that one. I love it. Back here was pretty empty, so I planted some cosmos, some zinnias, and some marigolds, and they're popping up. I just throw the seeds down and I put some coconut coir on top just to keep it wet longer until they sprout. This is my other blue mist. Let me back up. So there's a lot of empty spots that I need to fill, but I'm just kind of experimenting what grows well together, what grows well without that much water. And these salvias, there's a purple one, magenta one back there, a pink one right there. Those don't require a lot of water and they're very pretty and they give you some color. I have a couple of carnations, but that one is being engulfed right here. Where is it? Right there. It's being engulfed by the blue mist. I need to move that one. There's a pink carnation, and I have two more up here. This one and this one. Oh, a hummingbird. The hummingbirds really like the salvia. Oh, yay. And I'm telling you, the blue mist always has butterflies, but I think I upset them. They didn't like the steaks. So funny. Here's some more marigolds that just self-seed. They pop up wherever they want. And these vincas I planted like clearance plants last year. Tiny little $1 plants. And they died and they came back. They self-seeded also. So that is exciting. Totally love that. What else? These are my asters. Pin cushions. They don't have flowers right now. Here's one. The end of one. Some more vincas. I planted some marigolds, zinnias, cosmos. I just threw some watermelon seeds down a couple months ago and see if that grew. Some cosmos, zinnias. Oh, these are my dahlias, but nothing happened. I don't know what happened. They grew, but they never gave me any flowers. I wonder if that's a flower. It looks like a bud, right? It even has like new growth right there. So does this one. Let me see if I can get back there. It has new growth. There it is. But it never gave me flowers. I don't know. I fertilized them, but no flowers. I think it was just too hot. My friend in Seattle has some gorgeous ones. And here's a canna. She's about to bloom. It's yellow. And that, I think, sums up my garden. This is verbena. It's like a weed, and I love it. Because that one I didn't even plant right there. That one planted itself also. I have one over there in the corner, and apparently it came all the way over here. So that is my garden, folks. In a month, it'll be brighter. So come back next month. I'll show you what it's looking like. All the mums will be blossoming. Hopefully I'll have more zinnias blossoming. Not too sure if the African daisies will blossom for me again. They're kind of upset at the blue mist. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later.